Got our Robotron this morning, and we're going to do a little work on the joystick. This one isn't so bad. It's a little loose, but this one, you can see it's just totally gone. So what we're going to do is, down here you can see the grommet has just deteriorated. So we'll pull the stick out, back these screws out, pull this bottom off. Grommet's right in here. We have a donor that we're going to throw in, and we'll see how that works. Okay, we've got the stick out of the top of it, and pull that out. The little washer falls out, and the grommet, which is torched, and I guess the rest of it, there's the rest of it, there's the center of it, so sit that right there. So we'll put our new one in and put her back together. Before we stick this back in, we're going to work it over on the wire wheel a little bit, knock that rust off there. Okay, so got it back together. It feels a lot stronger. Comes back to the center. Of course, when I did that, this one felt like crap. So went ahead and took it apart, and sure enough, it was torn. You can see it was torn right there. So it was on its way out. So yeah, looks pretty good. Not too bad. About 30 minutes work, and should be a lot more fun.